Yako kwa mheshimiwa Otundo kwa Kisii County. Nje nataka comment asina ra mheshimiwa Dr. Ndemo yule si Kisii County ase discussion ya bwate ekera na mutegererete guna murigereti muno muntu tabati professional ethics. The reason why ngotebera igo igale go discuss office ogoteba muno office ya Kisii County ere dysfunctional okweresa muna ebosi yaye no mongira bwe ebosi yaye bagokole biasara nchirembe and all those kinds of things. Ntagete gotebanga that is very wrong because to go discuss office negatively office ya soko colleagues na to go discuss your bosses negatively ko colleagues na baro publicly, that is very wrong. Ngotebanga na bwente kolani because into bwate amachiko ako govern public servants who want to behave or say operations in any structured office. It was a shame. It is a bad example to other workers who work elsewhere. Again, honorable. Sign singing Charles singing and he could have resigned CEC Aru office. Ekera rule office yoriate benga reasons chamurusi office is ABCD. Lakini tago discuss office negatively karororo. That is a shame. Number 2, Dr. Ndemo no liyoyomo atebete na ndega bwese discussion yeju oneti governor ekuligobo governor olikuru kunga Manson Yoyongo alenge deputy yaye oya akagorwa akeresa ngatagori reform manera lakini akagorwa ngachiko agwegas, which is the same thing actually go gagoretwe igekera agoretwe ero manyene. It shows ingana ero manyene utabati ethics ero manyene utamati na bwana to colleagues because muntu tagokora a campaign at the end of the day umotamo itere a political dream yae usamo itere ndogoto ngasinge nchagori no muntu mungao. That is a shame. Chikura kialenge chinke nero lego colleagues a campaign make sure ngoletire chikura chinyinge lakini koteba ngorole ringo moto ngo kuirane ngabana gacharuko gusho. That is a shame and we don't want such kind of people. Abantu mna abantu kwa magena ana baligiri one chikura any other day mbagwana ndikoba chikura because they are not fit to hold public office. Ntageto koteba is paying for his mistakes. He's having a test of his own medicine. Don't they work members of the Senate, including our senator and the members of the National Assembly, Igoro as public participation. They did a good thing. They go interrogate among an chai na payments, evidence, understanding and so that they can follow it up for us. We felt so good in Kisii County as second take you because it means and they are thinking about us. You go to work and be a man so what a machete and to take it up to ensure more ensuring a child. It beats logic. Other regions say on bonus 60 shillings. We see Gab and Bakulia 20 bob. A guinea to Kyogo Kumi and a child in a regular and Bakuchi fees. They go to a Gachino banner to Conyate in all ways narrow to water as the main cash crop. Ya Kisii.